Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. Today I will explain the Power Automate pricing and other things. Okay, so basically Power Automate is free for 1 month trial. You can trial it using this website and visit. You need to visit the Microsoft Power Automate website, and here you can trial it for 30 days free. Okay, so if you are using already user of Microsoft Business Basic or standard license, okay, so you will get the Power Automate free. So you can create the cloud flow obviously free. Okay, so here is 2 3 license type. The Power Automate free trial, you can use it as a free trial for 30 days. Okay, the Power Automated premium, okay, so it's basically used for like SQL and HTTP and other like Dataverse connectors. Okay, basically let me explain and what is the connectors. Okay, so let me create a sample automated cloud. And where we need the premium license. Okay, premium and Power Automate process and Power Automate hosted process. Okay, so here you able to view these are the free action. Okay, so if here is showing the premium, you need the premium licenses. Okay, here is you need the premium licenses. So premium license required in like Dataverse, your Microsoft Dataverse and SQL and Azure. Okay, so if or like the Teams, the Google Calendar, the Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint List and SharePoint Site, and Microsoft Forum, Power Apps, here is free connectors you can use as a free. So few place we need the premium licenses, and few place you can use the free connectors. Okay, so basically if you need the Power Automate like free trial, you can use it for 30 days. If you need the Power Automate the license for the 1 month or 3 month, so you can apply on Power Platform developer option. Okay, so you can create the developer account and you can use it for 3 months. So if you need any help in the pricing and other things, so please let me know. So thank you so much in this video.